Welcome to Audiobook Zone BD. Today we're summarizing Dale Carnegie's classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Section 1. Fundamental Techniques in Handling People. 1. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticism creates defensiveness. Focus on positive reinforcement to foster connections. 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. People crave recognition. Show genuine appreciation for their efforts, big or small. 3. Arouse in the other person an eager want. Understand others' desires. Frame your requests around their needs. Section 2. 6 ways to make people like you. 1. Become genuinely interested in other people. Listening intently cultivates deeper relationships. 2. Smile. A simple smile creates warmth and approachability. 3. Remember that a person's name is, to that person, the sweetest sound. Use their name to show respect and consideration. 4. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. People appreciate being heard. 5. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. Understand and connect through their passions. 6. Make the other person feel important. Prioritize their feelings and acknowledge their value. Section 3. How to win people to your way of thinking. 1. The only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. Arguments lead to resentment. Aim for understanding instead. 2. Show respect for the other person's opinions. Never tell someone they're wrong. Promote open discussion. 3. If you're wrong, admit it quickly and emphatically. Honesty builds trust and strengthens relationships. 4. Begin in a friendly way. Approaching discussion. 5. Get the other person saying, yes, yes, immediately. Start with common ground to build rapport. 6. Let the other person do a great deal of the talking. Guide the conversation and make them feel valued. Section 4. Leadership and Influence. 1. Praise the slightest improvement and praise every improvement. Encourage continuous growth with recognition. 2. Give the other person a fine reputation to live up to. Inspire them by expressing confidence in their abilities. 3. Use encouragement. Make the fault seem easy to correct. Foster a supportive atmosphere and instill hope. Conclusion. Dale Carnegie's timeless principles can enhance your interactions profoundly. Practice these strategies to nurture relationships and positively impact others. Thanks for tuning in to Audiobook Zone BD. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.